Bro, what is this game?
Bands on the watermelon.
Why is their watermelon so large? What is this?
It's a Russian roulette.
18%?
Oh, add 3 bands.
3 bands.
Oh, I added 3 bands.
Add 3 bands.
I can steal your cash.
$0. Oh no. Oh no.
I just need 1 more Roebuck.
1 more Roebuck. Does it cost 1 Roebuck? 4 Roebuck?
Uh-oh.
30. Oh
House
no. I think your chair is breaking. This is a good question.
It's getting tight around the watermelon.
Oh no. We're getting tight.
Okay.
Yo, look at the watermelon behind you. Oh my gosh. 80 bands, bro. We could go band for band, bro. So how do you win this? Do you explode the watermelon? Or do you not get exploded on?
I don't think that's your goal, is exploding the watermelon.
Just keep the door open, bro.
No!
Damn.
Rubber Band Watermelon Challenge is the worst game I've ever played. Here's why.